Okay, this is a quick video for those who have not been receiving the email notification from their other forms. All right. For some reasons, I don't know why that's happening, but I'm contacting the hosts, assuming you're using us. I'm contacting the host, and then we'll get that fixed. All right. But before you conclude that your form is not sending you email notifications, first of all, go to your form and make sure you activate this. Right. Go to your form. I have a couple of them here, so let me just do an activate one. So let's do edit. Let me edit. So you have to check first. This is how you check. Okay. Okay. Go to settings and go to notifications. Okay. Then scroll down. The email here must be an email attached to your domain. I mean the domain where the form is installed. All right. It doesn't mean if it doesn't matter if the email is not available. Just put info at ecomtycoon.com or info at yourdomainname.com, right? It must be something. Just put an email there at yourdomainname.com.ng, whatever your domain name is. It must tally. If it doesn't tally, it will not work. But when you're done with this and you've saved it, try filling the form again. If you still can't get it, then all you need to then do is to you know bone the email notification thing and always log into your dashboard, to get the orders. And how do you do that? You log in, you log in and click on your WP form, log into your WordPress dashboard, click on WP form, and then this is the order. So what you need to do, come here, click on this number, that's the entry, right? Once you click on it, it displays all the orders you've received. All the orders you've received. You can see all the orders are here. Okay. Now don't go start viewing them one by one. That could be very difficult. Okay. What you would do in this case is go to download and export. Boom. Downloading and exporting. So sorry. Okay, so this is my file. It has downloaded. So if I click on it, it opens in spreadsheet. It opens all the details. So that's it. That's how to do this, right? So for now, bone the email notification until it's fixed. But make sure before you conclude that the email is not working for you, make sure you have checked, and the from mail is actually an email attached to your domain name, info at your domain name.com.ng, whatever. Make sure it may not be an existing email, you can just send an email, it must be attached to domain name. But once you do that, save it, and it's still happening, then you have no other option than to use the entry method. That's it.